Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know Bubble versus GoHighLevel, which one is better for you, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will talk about which one is better and which one you should use. So Bubble and GoHighLevel are two very different platforms. Bubble is a no-code app builder. It lets you build web apps or SaaS products without writing code. You can design your own platforms, connect database, and launch your own softwares. It's great for startup or anyone who want to build a custom app. And if I talk about GoHighLevel, it is not for app building. It's made for agencies and service providers. With GoHighLevel, you can get funnels, CRM, email, SMS marketing, appointment, like appointment booking and automation tools all in one platform. So basically Bubble is for creating apps and GoHighLevel is for running and automating your businesses. If you want to build your app or SaaS products, then you should use Bubble, and if you want to grow your service businesses or agency, use GoHighLevel. So basically this is it, and thanks for watching. If you think this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.